Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars, a cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Hey guys and gals, this is a bonus glass video on making your windshield pristine. Just a little bonus video for you. Tools are in the tools list. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Bill, or Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. Keep your eyes peeled, do this, and you'll have the clearest, most beautiful, pristine, crystal clear windshield you've ever had. All right, we're gonna go with some technology here for them. In this old rig, it needs it. Basically a bunch of different models we can use, but this one looks like it may do the job for them. And we'll mount it right up on the dash and they'll be good to go. If you did this for somebody else, you could charge them 75 bucks easily. I don't know, whatever the smoothest thing is, you know, that's how smooth this is now. Unbelievable. It's like silk. Smooth as a cue ball, brand new cue ball. That's all I can think of. 75 bucks in your pocket right there. Sweet Project Cars out.